Hi, I'm Nathan. I'm from Taylor's Kitchens and Bathrooms, who once done the apprenticeship through Wickes. Really enjoyed my time doing my apprenticeship through Wickes, and now I'm here helping them train the next load of cohorts.
I'm Keenan and I'm a kitchen installation apprentice for Wickes. I'm currently 3 months out of 18 in my apprenticeship. I'm very fortunate to be partnered with Nathan and Mikey, both experienced and knowledge and have been in an apprenticeship scheme themselves.
Working the Wickes way is really important when doing this apprenticeship. I'm hoping I'll be able to pass down the knowledge that I've learned off my apprenticeship and pass it through to the new apprentices. Apprentices really do like to have a good safety net around them, and working for Wickes really do give you that safety net. It takes hard work and a lot of dedication to become a successful apprentice. If you're dedicated and hard working, then the apprenticeship is for you.